Hey people, my name's Aaron Smith. I have a lot of good songs for you to learn. This first song is Black Sabbath by Black Sabbath. This is a short tune. This tune is good for people who are just starting out on the keyboard, piano. After this lesson, I will give you 5 short sample tunes of songs you'll be learning down the road, and a sample of your next lesson. So let's get started. Okay, here we go. Black Sabbath by Black Sabbath. I'll do it twice in the left hand, twice in the right hand, twice with both hands. So here we go. There's one. Now you want to get in the habit of watching the upper keyboard with the notes. There's your 2. Okay, now I'll go to the right hand. So watch those notes. Okay, now here we go, both hands. Do it again. Just get in the habit of watching the upper keyboard with the notes, and you'll be good. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to your next song and your 5 sample songs. There you go. Okay, here's the next song you'll be learning. Fleetwood Mac song. This is going to be the next song you will be learning. Okay, now we're going to go for the 5 sample songs that you'll be learning down the road. Train rolls on down the road. Please take me far away. Got that one? Now we're going to learn this one too. You will learn this song. Our hearts beat like a donut, don't know why they don't explode. You got your hands in my back pocket, and Sam Cooke playing on the radio. Be learning that one. And here's another one you'll be learning. Well, I heard some people talking just the other day. They said you were gonna put me on the shelf. And we keep going. Here's another one you'll be learning. You say you want a revolution. That's another one you'll be learning. And here's another one you'll be learning. There you go. There's your 5 lessons. Your 5 sample songs and your next lesson. So hit that subscribe button because I got plenty of songs to go. Have a nice day.
I think I'll go get me a 12-pack.